This one seems pretty short, so I'll do this one. I got this done. Oh no, there's nothing there. Oh, my keys aren't working anymore. It was working before. Well, let's try that again. K down and K up, because I just had this here backwards and then it was working. Did I hit the wrong buttons? Oh, maybe cap lock's not on. Okay, that's what it is. Let's double check that. Okay, I still have those flipped. So this should be K down and K up. Run. So as far as I can tell, nothing really happens if you don't make it past the wall. I just see that you can move, and then I don't see a score or anything. I'm not even sure if I saw any. Well, there's a score there for D. I guess we could print that to the screen. D is the score. Mistake. How dare you? Okay. I'm still not seeing the score. Well, there's a 0. There's a 0. There's a 0. I don't know. Okay, so I have a score of 0. I know they have to conserve space, so they don't put a lot of comments, but I'd like to know what D, B, Z, and A do. Well, D is the score, but B is 10, A is 2, and then I don't know, print tab, move ship, let the ship move. B is the ship's Y coordinate, I guess. And then A is the X coordinate. And S, I don't know what it is. S is random. I didn't see like a into the game. I don't know. I kind of want to play with this some more. So from the code, it seems like your score goes up if your B or your Y coordinate is at 20. Oh. And that adds to your score. So basically, if your X coordinate is 19 and B is not S, I'm confused. So, like, okay, this is like the for loop encompasses the start of a level. Like, you have 20 steps to go from the beginning to the end. So, literally, the for loop is one iteration, one cycle in the game. And you can move up or down, and you always move forward. So, if you are at the 19 X coordinate and B is not 2, and B is not 2 plus 1. Wait, that must be S. I must have gotten that wrong. B is not S, and B is not S plus 1, and it is not 20, then go to the next Z. I guess Z is the amount of screens, and then this is the amount of tiles in a screen. Where is S being set? S must be like location of hole in wall, I think. Okay, I think you die if you hit the wall. Okay, so this is like rim. If you hit the wall at the end, you die. Rim. Otherwise, you hit the hole in the wall, so you get a point. Okay. But where is S being set? Because it's being drawn. I saw it being drawn. So up here, well, because it changes each time, right? Next I. Here's 370. Is it calling 370 somewhere? Go sub 280. Maybe that's to set up the new screen. That looks, yeah, I think this is a rim set up current, like next screen or whatever, new screen. Okay, so then now this should work properly. I have to get into one of these two little slots. Well, still not doing it. It's still just I'm still hitting the wall. If my X position is 19 and B is not where the wall hole is, and it's not offset by 1, and Z is, wait, what is Z? Z is, oh, I guess that must be the screen number. I is the tile number on a screen. Okay. So yeah, you go to the next level. So wait, what? We have this here. If A is 19, B is not S, B is not S plus 1, and Z is not 20, then we go to the next level. Shoot. Otherwise, if you're at the end, let's see, this is if you're on the last level, 20, then end the game. Okay. I really hate the way that, like, these for loop iterators are on these lines here. Rim. So if you're at the wall, not in the hole, I think, then go to the next screen. But that doesn't seem like the Stargate. It seems like the Stargate should be wherever S is. So for instance, if I do print tab gate equals S, and then let's just do print tab Y is equal to B. So gates at 30. Now gates at, I moved too fast to do this. So 8. Yeah, I mean, I think that's right. I can put this in here. And every time it resets the ship to the that same reset part. So gate is at 7. Wait, why is my Y? Oh, probably because I didn't clear it. So if I do like this at the end, I think it'll overwrite whatever it had before. Okay. So yeah, 21. So this isn't doing the logic I would think it would be doing. Of course, it's kind of hard to tell with the for loop kind of mangled like this. I would want to refactor this, but I also don't want to like mess with it a whole lot. But basically, moving forward, if we're not at the hole, then we go to the next. Oh, I can like go to the next Z without going to next I. That's also really ugly. But that changes the level. Because if we hit 20, I'm so confused. I'm not sure. I'd have to kind of mess with this more to figure it out. But otherwise, it kind of works all right. I don't know why my characters are D's to start with, and then they turn into that. I don't know what happens when I touch a asteroid, but the game is really short. I mean, that's not that much code for something like that, so that's kind of cool. I don't know what these notes mean. Line 100, put a graphics character there. Type 2 spaces control F2 and then 17B at 17 B's. F5 and then a pound sign. I don't know what that means. But I suppose I could use different characters instead. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Okay, let's see how this works. I don't know what these characters they wanted me to add here ahead of time are, but there we go. We got bank robber. Bank robber. You and your partner in crime, Fred Bloggs, have just raided a well-known bank. Fred Bloggs is at the top, checking bags out the window. You get 10 lives. And so and so. Did I miss a mode or something? I feel like there's supposed to be a different mode for the instructions. I don't see anything. Anyway, I'm wondering if this is supposed to be flashing because one of the other games had flashing text. I don't know. A should be left, D should be right. Oh, ups, ups. I don't know. If I had a screenshot, oh my gosh, something happened. That's difficult. So those are the instructions. This is the end of the level. Live score. So I mean, are these the bags of money? And then you're supposed to move left and right, and you're the ups, which let's see if there's that note over here. Control F3, then up Z, then shift. I don't know if this does anything. So this is me, my character. I don't know what to do. Let me see. Because I don't have this part right. That's supposed to be a plus. So then I can move back and forth. I don't see the thing dropping. And I feel like we should be printing like print tab x minus 1 y empty space, print tab x plus 1 y empty space, and maybe I'll just change up z. Is that supposed to be the bucket? Like, maybe it should just be a u for the bucket. Oh, missing quotes. Where did I miss? I'm missing quote here. Okay. I just added that space in there so that it won't do the like etch-a-sketch effect. I really feel like this should be a different mode, but okay, so there's my bucket, and I just don't see B as it's going downwards. So let's add some rim. X, Y is player coordinates. H, S, L, K, A is for keyboard input. I think, well, except whatever this. 8, wait, no. 1 to 15. Is that also like the previous game where it's 15 tiles to go downwards, maybe? I don't see anything that is dropping. Okay, A string is this. A1. K is less than 3, then go to 120. I don't know. Get a random number between 1 and 17. Is okay, we have 17 of these. So I wonder if K is supposed to be X coordinate of money bag. And then the player is at position 14. So I'm assuming maybe A is the distance from bag initial point to ground piles. I don't know, like the other game. If K is equal to X plus 1, well, okay, so I think it was like UPZ. I think this is bucket and then maybe U or something like that. I'm just going to change this to the bucket location. If K is equal to X, then proc score, else proc lives. So this is each of the steps, and once we're done with the steps going from the top to the bottom as it falls, now I feel like I'm missing where it's displaying the money bag, unless we're just not supposed to see it. Because there's the bees. And I'm not seeing K being well, I'm seeing this K, but I'm not seeing B itself unless that was a note over here. That okay, you're supposed to put a pound sign. We're just gonna do that. I don't know. Am I at the right spot? I got it! I got the money bag! Okay. I do think this should be a different mode, though, because it's only taking up part of the screen. Which I'm not seeing a mode. I need to figure out how these other things work because I keep seeing them in the game, but I don't know what it does. So it's, I think, mode 0 by default. Maybe we need like a smaller mode. Let's try mode 3 maybe. Mode 3. Okay, that's still kind of small. There's like one of these that is really big. And I kind of want it to be blown up more. So this is like slightly better. But I still think the game itself... Where does it start over? I don't know. We'll do mode... Did I try 3 already? I don't know what... Let me open up my mode demo. Okay, so mode 0, 1, 2, so maybe mode 2. Or mode 5? Let's try mode 2 and see if this looks any good. So again, like I don't know why they made it just 14 cells down. I didn't spell high score correctly. I put I score. But I mean, it's not bad. I figured that the B should not show up after it's been dropped, but maybe I coded something wrong. Okay, so where's my high score? Okay, why is it cut off then? That's weird. So we add on to the score A minus 1. I don't know what that's really doing, but what I'm gonna do oh, I don't know. I don't know how I would do what I'm thinking of to make the bees disappear over time. Because I don't think anything is clearing on the screen. I don't think the screen is being cleared. So I think I could just get our random K. Where is it? We'll do print tab K coordinate and 0, and we'll just do an empty. So I think that will make it disappear. Oh, whoops. Okay, I see why that other thing was being used. Because otherwise the $sign just kind of keeps showing. My hack isn't working. We do need this guy. Maybe, well... I don't know. And maybe actually this is supposed to be the ground or something. So for instance, let's just do this. Okay, so it's too wide by a few blipple bloops. Okay, so the width, this is mode 2. We have 20 characters. I could also change this out. Now this could be slow. This might be really slow. 20. It seems like for loops are pretty slow, but there, we can just print out the ground that way. And we have high score is 100. I kind of think that the money bags should just be bees because it looks kind of like a bag. I also kind of want to add like a little smiley face as the character, and then you have to catch it in the bucket itself. Also, it doesn't have colors. Why don't we have colors? I'm not good at the color part, but let's draw the bucket as like GCOL I don't know what these are, what they even do. I need to do a demo for colors, which I have something. I have, well, it was in my modes. I have colors 0 to 16. So in mode 2, color 6 could be a bucket, and color 2 could be the money. So I'll do G color 2. Oh, still, it's not showing up. Why is my color not showing up? Or did I do the wrong command? Is this supposed to be color? Oh, okay. Color for the text. Or color. Color. There we go. Now we got a colorful bucket and a colorful money. And technically all those bees should also be green, I think. So I will copy paste this. And I think this kitty cat is in my way. I forgot what color was red, so we'll just try something. And then after all that, I guess we'll do 0, maybe, so it doesn't color the whole thing. Oh no, all my dollars went away. Why did they disappear? Was that not the right color? Or is this doing something weird? Oh, that made it red, but okay. Color 1 is red. Well, I have changed up this game. I have modified it and improved it somewhat. This is kind of fun. There we go. Oh, and you can't hear the beeping. It beeps when I collect the money. I get beeps. There we go. Yay. Now if I lose the money, what does it say? Okay, this one is also, I believe, a 1-pager. So let's try this one as well. I'll just copy this. This is Catcher by Alex Segre of London in Northwest 5. I don't know. So, and then this one is page 29. So I'll try this out and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Ah. You got 0 things. What am I doing? Okay, one, I think the border I did was wrong. I missed a thing. Oh, look, it's Snake. It's Snake! Collect it. Nice. Okay, so one of the borders, where was it? I did wrong. Is that the border? No. I saw it somewhere. Here it is. Okay, so I did 0 to that. Okay, I think this is supposed to be... Did I get that? Did I just miss a part? 0. Okay, yeah, I'm missing 0 to 1023. Okay, so that should be better. Oh, that didn't. 1023. There we go. Ah! And down here looks kind of weird. Why is there black stuff? You got thing, high score 1. Whee! Whee! I don't know if I should maybe clear the screen after that. Um, maybe I'll just add a, like, press a button or something, or, and then clear. I don't know. Whee! Then, like, there's this kind of graphical glitch here. I don't know what it is. And also down here, there's not a thing. I don't, I don't know what I hit just before that. That's kind of cool. Whee! What is that? What's that face? Wait a minute. I think I remember in your score you have 241, 242, and 243. So what am I hitting? I am not hitting anything, sir. Unless I'm just hitting backwards right on myself. Some of these turns are wonky. Ah! Dang it. Okay, I am able to hit in the opposite direction of where I'm going and just hit myself directly that way. No, that's a terrible spot. How's it detect? Well, it didn't really detect it there. How's it detecting when it overlaps itself? I like the little faces. They're so sad. Oh no! Dang it. So I could change this to, like, if the score is less than, say, 2. It's a save. Is there not an else if in BASIC? Or an else, for that matter? I see an else over here. Which I could do, like, else if, but then I don't know how that would be formatted properly. Anyway, if score is less than 2, man, I wanted an else if statement. We'll do that. Else that, then this. Else score is less than 4, then else score is less than 5, then that. And if, and if, and if, and if, and if. Oh wait, I might have enough. Okay, let's see. I just wanted to make it so I get the cute faces faster. Because I don't... Oh, ooh, look at that. That's so weird. What is it? It looks like a little animal. Ah, it looks like a little cat. No, it's gone. No, they're gone. That was interesting. Oh no, I can't backspace anymore. Shoot. Let me restore this to its original state. 480 there. Okay. I'll just fix this up real quick. We'll do that. If score greater than 2 and score less than 6, then BDU 241. This is line 480. There, I've restored that. Well, that's kind of neat. It starts me off at the wall. Oop, oop. Okay, stop. I am wondering where it detects what it's hitting. So proc finish. If Q is 1 and point X position minus 8, Y. That's so weird. What? Is equal to 3. Oh, maybe that is that the color that I'm laying down when I move? Maybe it just has a plot. I'm not sure, but that's pretty cool. This guy in the Worms game, and then they have him down here too. He's just like, oh. Ah, scrolling is weird. Chase a bus driver. Your controls are crazy. If you move off the side of the screen, you reappear in unexpected places. This one's really short. Base boxes. Wait, base? Is it like for square numbers? Language tester. Game to earn £1,000. Okay, let's look at Crazy Chase. We can play 3D Maze. Let's play 3D Maze. Too far. Wait, where was the thing? I want to see what... I could do Worms, but it is quite long. This guy is intimidating. We'll do Crazy Chase. And see how that is. Okay. I know it says if you go off the side of the screen, you end up somewhere unexpected. I was expecting it to give you a random number, but it looks like it just throws you at the same place every time. Oh no, bad 4 variable, line 40. Oops. Oh, oops. What is this supposed to be? T? Okay. Oop. Okay. I did it. I caught the thing that moves randomly. Yay. See if I go off the screen, I just end up right there. I failed completely. Okay, what counts as the fail state? If I don't get it within 100 moves? Okay, well, that was definitely a pretty simple game. It's kind of like picking sticks, except the stick moves around and you're trying to collect a fuzzy box. Well, cool. I don't even see an author on this one. Chasing a bus driver. Okay. Well, I think that's it for me today.